Okay, so you've mastered the basics of search engine optimization, your title, your description, and your tags, but you want to take it to the next level, and you're asking how to rank better in search. That's what we talk about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. YouTube is all about fine details, tweaking the right things, feeding the algorithm at the right point, and making sure that your videos are optimized to the biggest potential to rank on the second largest search engine on the internet, which is YouTube. Now, before I deep dive into how you can maximize your reach and how to rank even higher on search engines and YouTube, I want to know, what kind of search engine optimization do you do? Do you go through your titles, your descriptions, your tags? Do you use something like TubeBuddy to help boost yourself? Or do you kind of throw it out there and hope that it just sticks out of luck? Please leave a comment down below. Now we all know that search engine optimization is key on YouTube. You need to make sure that the people can find you. You need to be making sure that people are actually searching for the thing that your video creates. There's no point in having a video that's so niche and so personal that nobody's going to be looking for it. There's no point in titling a video, "Wow, I did this," because "Wow, I did this" is not something that an average Joe Blow will search, because I don't know what Sam Smith in America did today, and nor am I going to search that I have a new puppy, Sam Smith, because I don't care, Sam. But here are a few tips on how to get optimized and get seen. Number one, have a look at my how to do basic search engine optimization with your titles, your descriptions, and your tags. There's a video up here. Go and check that out. I'll wait. Okay, welcome back if you disappeared. Number two, make sure that you are making content that people are searching for. As previously noted, there is no point in making something that people won't be looking for, and make sure that it is titled accordingly. So in this case, on my channel as a small YouTuber starting from 0 subscribers, getting 1,000 subscribers in my first 10 months and gaining around about 200 to 300 subscribers now every month thereafter, I made sure that I went out of the way to start off with stuff that people are asking, people are searching. I could have started off with my rants, my motivational gripes and my opinions directly, but how would people know how to search my specific titles on, why should you not copy people and why you should stop focusing on numbers, because that's not very YouTube focused. So what I did is my first 100 videos on here are all how-to things, how-to features, how to upload, how to create, how to trim. Those are video titles and specific topics that people will be looking for and features that they wish to find. And once you've done that and you've optimized it and you've possibly even used TubeBuddy, there is a link here, alanspicer.com/TubeBuddy for, optimizing your title, your descriptions, and your tags. It's completely free, or you can upgrade using the code ALANSBuddy for 20% off. But once you've used that tool and you've mastered the art of titles, descriptions, and tags, you need to drill deeper into the things that will help you get seen above everybody else that is doing the same thing. So number three, have a look at translations. Translations is a feature that's hidden in the YouTube system. Basically, it means that I can translate my title and my description into another language, which then means that if your language settings are set to anything other than English United Kingdom or English United States, if I have provided you with a translation, it will swap in that translation in your native language, in your settings, rather than my English that you might not understand properly. So in this video, where I teach you how to translate your YouTube videos, say for example I swap in my title and my description in Hindi, and you happen to speak Hindi and your YouTube settings are set to Hindi, you will get the Hindi version of the titles and the descriptions rather than the English version, and those titles and those descriptions have a chance to rank in Hindi speaking languages and tags. What that does is it broadens the spider web that catches your flies that are your viewers and subscribers. 4. Paired with this is your closed captions or your subtitles. Once again, there's a video up here on how to add subtitles, but subtitles allows you to offer somebody who is either hard of hearing or in a situation where they can't listen to the audio. Say for example, they're on a bus or they're at school, they're sat there and your SM22 or your friend, that kind of thing, and you just kind of want to read but not listen to Spanish class. If I then provide subtitles in this video, you can then read along and watch my face and you can learn at the same time. Or if English is not your native language, then you can kind of, learn English as I teach you another topic. They are also indexed in the search algorithm, which gives a chance to rank better based on your subtitles. And once again, it's that little extra, that little bit more that your rival might not be doing. 5. Channel tags. Now these are like video tags, but for your channel. These tags can be found under the channel settings. It's a remnant of the old YouTube system, but it's also where you highlight what type of videos you make, a genre of videos. But then these tags specifically relate to you. So in my case, educational, how-to, YouTube tricks, my name, that kind of thing. These are the more common things that you would regularly suggest that are related to you going forward. But if they're filled in, it gives you that little extra, that little bit more, just in case. Once again, in search, it gives it more data, more things to eat, something more for the algorithm to churn through. And maybe you get related to another educator because you put educator in the box. And if I'm suggesting it's Roberto Blake and my video is related, maybe I get some more Roberto Blake viewers, and then the community grows that way. And 6, playlists. Now, I've waxed lyrical about playlists on this channel before. Playlists are a great way of hooking people into one video and then auto-feeding them the next one, making sure that they know that, this video is part of a series. This video will show you 10 videos on how to create a YouTube channel. Or they are my features playlist where you learn how to title and transcribe and do your subtitles and clip videos and ban people, right? Playlists are a great way of getting people in, sticking them there, and subconsciously on autopilot just driving them through to the next video without them having to do anything. If they arrive for just one video and they arrive in your playlist, your videos are more likely to be suggested against that playlist, which means you win compared to your rival that might have a similar topic. And instead of you getting one video view, you might get 3 video views, and instead of getting 3 minutes of watch time, you might be getting 9 minutes of watch time, which then feeds the algorithm, gives you more channel authority, which helps you rank higher because you've got better audience retention and session watch time. I have deep dived into playlists because of course I have. There's a video up here, go and check that out, the power of YouTube playlists. That's how you can add that little bit more to rank higher in search compared to your rivals. For more tricks and tips on how to optimize your channel and grow your channel, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time my video goes live immediately. Go out there, start creating.